What if I told you that you no longer have to struggle to get customers to buy from you over and over and over and over again? What if I told you that? Would that be cool? Alright, bet. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna break down how you can create something called the infinity play. This is something we've designed to get customers to not only buy from you one time, but buy from you repeatedly.
Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever.
And this isn't being done anywhere else, so you definitely want to chill and watch this video in its entirety. Before we jump into that, go ahead and like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you know an e-commerce owner that's actually struggling to get repeat customers, definitely share this with them and spread the word, because we're all about spreading value and helping y'all to run it up and get to those 6- and 7-figure goals that we know that you have. Now, if you stay till the end of this video, you're gonna have a chance to get access to this done for you system, literally sent directly to your inbox. And let's get it in. Now, if you don't already, we take pride in being able to say that we've taken numerous students to 40K plus months. But one of the issues that we continue to see from some of the new people that we talk to on the phone on a daily basis is that they're struggling to find ways to run their e-commerce store up and get to that level. Now, one of the biggest problems is that they don't have a way to get customers to buy from them again. They have no idea how. They'll have a customer come in, shop with them one time, leave, and then they never hear from them again. So because of that, we thought to ourselves, what's a really creative way to get customers to come back and really fall in love with our brand? So we came up with the infinity play strategy, and we're about to show that to you right now. So the end goal is to have your customers come to this landing page and have a very unique experience that'll make them want to buy from you again and join your community. So how do you go about creating something like that, and how does this all actually work? So the first thing you want to do as soon as your customer buys from you is you want to package up their item, but inside of the package, you want to have a postcard with a QR code. You want them to scan that QR code that's going to send them to a landing page where you're going to offer this unique experience. All right, so let me show you how this is done in its entirety. Like I said, stay till the end of this video, because you're going to have a chance to take our exact landing page and use it for your own store to help you get more repeat buyers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come here to qrcodemonkey.com. You can create free QR codes like that. Remember, the QR code makes it extremely easy for your customer to scan your QR code and go to the destination that you want them to go to. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to click on URL, and then you want to go ahead and enter your URL right here. It's really cool too, because you can actually set the colors that you want. So you're going to want to get your hex code here to change the colors to make it more toward your brand. I wouldn't recommend doing this and actually doing the guesswork. Actually get your QR code, enter it in here, and then you can ultimately change up the way that this thing looks. It's pretty cool because you can actually add your logo inside of this QR code. So you want to definitely get your logo to add it here, and you can make it extra special. Then you could even add a custom design if you wanted to do that, but qrcode-monkey.com is where you want to go for that. All right, now after you actually get that QR code, you're going to come over to Canva, and Canva has some cool QR code design templates that you can use here. All you're going to want to do, add your branding. You see here we have our Rich From Anywhere logo here. Enter your QR code right in here, and then go ahead and download this particular postcard style right here. So this is the landing page that the QR code is going to take your customer to. All right, now this is an exclusive landing page, and like I said, you want to create an exclusive, unique experience that they don't get from other stores. So check this out. First thing you want to do is you want to tell them what they're going to get, which is take 40% off. Yes, 40% off. Now, I know it might seem steep to you, but trust me, if you can get them to fall in love with your brand, then they're going to continue to shop with you over and over and over again. And this is part of our infinity play. Then it says a special message from our store. So now you can see here that what I've done is I've recorded a quick little sample video to show you what to say. All right, so I'm just going to play a brief clip of it just so you can get the feel. Like I said, stay to the end of this video and you can actually get this whole landing page and add your own swag to it. Everything is done for you, okay? Hey guys, this is Stevie from Rich From Anywhere Shop, and I just wanted to record this quick video to tell you how much I appreciate your purchase. We are a family-owned business, and we take pride, blood, sweat, and tears into creating the best quality products ever for our customers. So I really wanted to just cut this exclusive video just for you for purchasing from our store. Now, because you purchased, you now have access to 40% off of your next purchase. Yes, that's right, 40% off. because we take pride in keeping our customers happy. Now, on top of that, you're also going to get exclusive access to our exclusive Facebook group. Okay, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but basically what you're doing is you're giving them a unique experience by recording them a personalized video. All right, a lot of brands aren't doing this. They're not recording thank you videos. They might put a little postcard in the item that they're shipping to you, but they never really make it a unique experience. So you can literally use this landing page and get more sales. Now, another key aspect to this is that we want them to actually join our community. I highly recommend that you create a Facebook group community, because it's a great way to get more repeat buyers and more repeat customers. So you saw at the end of this video, I had the call to action that said join our free Facebook group. On top of that, we have a little coupon code here with the actual coupon code. It says sale40 is the coupon code. You can take 40% off any item in our store. And then we also want to add urgency, because we don't want people sitting on this offer for too long. You could give them a month, you could give them a week or two to make their purchase, but you definitely want to have some urgency here. So the timer is here for you as well as the button that links directly to your exclusive Facebook group. And this is what's going to help take your brand to the next level. All right, so now y'all seen the infinity play, the strategy, how it works. Drop a comment, let me know if this is something that y'all really like and that y'all really want. And since this is now the end of the video and you have stayed to the end, you now have granted yourself access to the infinity play landing page that you can use to get your repeat customers up and take your brand to 6 figures and beyond, because that's what we strive for. We want all of you all to hit 6 and 7 figures. All right, now what you have to do, go ahead and click this link. It's going to flash somewhere on the screen. You're going to get access to an exclusive video that's going to take you through what to do to get access to this infinity play. All right, now don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because if you thought that this was good, you ain't seen nothing, because we're always dropping free value for you all at all times. All right, so make sure that you subscribe, share this with someone who needs it, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.